In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 more YouTube niche ideas that are kind of weird. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn more weird YouTube channel ideas that get tons of views and make money. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur, I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers, sound bars, web hosting, security cameras, and online courses. If you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want a free unemployee handbook, that handbook will teach you step-by-step how to make money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. All right, so in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 weird niche ideas. They're off the beaten path. They're not talked about a lot, but they get thousands, if not millions of views. We're also going to talk about different ways to monetize it so that you can 2, 3, 4, 10x your income or revenue. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one on the screen here is actually a jump rope channel. Now these guys, the jump rope dudes, they have 1.1 million subscribers. And you might be thinking, whoa, that's a lot of subscribers. How can I do this? Their entire channel is about jumping rope. Okay, and if you don't want to show your face, look at this channel. This channel here is called the Body Hub. Now, this channel covers a little bit more than just jumping rope, but why I wanted to point this one out, and I'm just going to go back here real quick. This YouTube channel is a faceless channel. I believe they also have automated or AI robotic voice. Let's listen to it real quick. Let's see here.
Minutes of jump rope every day. We'll do this.
Okay, so that may or may not be AI. AI is getting really good, but you can see here that this video has over 5 million views from almost 2 years ago at this point, and they're using probably something like InVideo, or they're using Pictory or something along those lines. But you can see that there are millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views to be had with this channel. And the reason why I want to point this out is it can be faceless. It can be just like a how-to or tutorial or benefits type channel. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. It is a high CPM niche. You can make money with affiliate marketing. So you could put links to the jump ropes, and these jump ropes are moderately priced, maybe $20, $25, depending on the type of jump rope that you get. You could also do brand deals and sponsorships, depending on if you decide to show your face or not. But this could be a full-time income opportunity simply with jumping rope. You could do like a jump rope challenge if you wanted to. If you want to be on camera, you can just talk about all of the benefits, the sciences, and the research of jumping rope. So I want to point this one out because I think this is really cool. There is 2 ways to do it. One of the guys, I don't know if this is 2 separate people, but one of the guys talks about his journey from being overweight, this right here, being overweight and then starting jump roping, and then what happened after that. So starting a jump rope channel could bring you tons of views and lots of money. If we looked at the Social Blade, you're going to see that they make a decent amount of money. In fact, why don't we take a look at that real quick? All right, so according to your Social Blade, they only make $5,000 per month, but I guarantee you that they're making much more than that. They're making money with the YouTube Partner Program. They also have a course, I believe. There's just tons of different opportunities to make money just with jump roping. They're partnered with jump rope manufacturers. Look at this. They have a course here. Shop our favorite jump ropes. Enter code do the thing to save 10%. So they've got a brand deal or sponsorship as well. They have all sorts of stuff that they can make money. Jump rope mat, they're probably an affiliate for that. So you can see there's lots of opportunity, and there I guarantee you they're making more than just $5,000 per month. After jump ropes, let's talk about French toast. How to make French toast without milk. More widely, how to make X without Y. So for this example, how to make French toast without milk, but this could be applied to anything. And the reason why I wanted to point this one out is this second result here. Only 1,000 subscribers, 33,000 views from 2 years ago. And you can see that people are asking this question, how to make French toast without milk. You can see 456 subscribers, 3.5 thousand views. There are tons of views to be had in this niche. So if you like cooking, you want to challenge yourself in different recipes or different ideas, you could do this. So let's do how to make pancakes. And one thing you're going to notice with this list is I was heavily food inspired. I was hungry, and so I was looking up all sorts of things about food. How to make pancakes without, and you can see that people are asking about how to make pancakes without baking powder, pancake mix, and so on. So if we hit enter, once again, you're going to see there are a bunch of views. Look at the second result here. 70,000 views, just over 1,000 subscribers from 2 years ago. If we keep scrolling, you're going to see that there are tons of different opportunities here. Lots of views, little subscribers. You can do this again and again. How to make pancakes. Let's do without, how to do pancake without pancake mix. And once again, you're going to see tons of views and then not so many subscribers. Look at this one. 685,000 views from 4 years ago, only 5,000 subscribers. If we keep scrolling, you're going to see there are tons of these different opportunities, and you can simply do how to make X without Y. Put in your favorite food, maybe how to make a cake. We'll say how to make a cake without an oven. Once again, you're going to see there are a bunch of thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views to be had, and you don't need to have a large following, and you can make money in a few different ways. You can make money with the different products that you're using. So maybe you're using a stand mixer, you could be an affiliate for Amazon. If you're using a special baking sheet, you could be an affiliate for Amazon. Once again, there are other manufacturers out there of different cooking utensils and cooking products. You could be an affiliate for all of those. Maybe you decide to drop ship. Maybe you could go out and find different pots and pans to drop ship, add them right to your YouTube channel, and you can make money. But how to bake X without Y could be really cool for you to get up and running. You can see this one's a little bit more competitive, but also there's 61 million views, and this video has only been uploaded 3 years ago. So do a little bit of research, figure out what is less competitive. The pancake one was really easy as far as the competition wise, but you can see there's lots of opportunity. But look over here on the right hand side. This is, I believe, vidIQ or TubeBuddy. It tells you if you were to make this content, how competitive it would be. So there are a moderate amount of searches, but there's almost no competition. So if you made a brand new video, you could potentially rank and get tons of views. But how to make X without Y is really powerful. The next one that I want to show you, again, this is in the food niche, and I was hungry, so I apologize. How to make pancakes on a griddle. Let's jump over to this one. So if you have a griddle, you can simply go out and make different stuff on your griddle. Now, you don't have to have an outdoor griddle. This video right here, 478,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. They have one of those tiny griddles that you can buy on Amazon. So if we jumped over to Amazon.com, I'll show you exactly which one they have, and you could promote the griddle. You could promote the utensils. You could actually promote one of those little hand pancake things that spits out the perfect size pancake every single time. But you can see there are tons of views, 4.3 thousand views, only 1,000 subscribers. And you could do this with all sorts of stuff. How to make pancakes on a griddle, how to make, if we delete pancakes, you can see people are asking about an omelet, how to make an omelet on a griddle. Once again, you're going to see there are tons of views. 24,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. 147,000 views, only 729 subscribers. If we jump over to Amazon and we just type in griddle, you're going to see there's these small tabletop griddles that go for maybe $50 or $75. So we could say griddle like that. We're going to click on that, and you're going to see the $49, $59. You put the affiliate link in the description of your videos. This is an electric one. You would earn about 3% commission, which isn't a lot, but you could actually stack commissions by, if someone purchases a griddle and then they add in other accessories, you could get to $100 per day just having 4 or 5 people purchase per day. But you can see here that this is a cool opportunity, and it's not horribly competitive. So if we go back over to how to make an omelet, once again, you're going to see there are tons of views here. And again, I was hungry, so my search results led to my hunger. So how to make a blank on griddle can bring you a full-time income. The next one that I want to show you is, actually, let's go back here and we can do hacks. Now, hacks 4, there are lots of opportunities. So you're simply going to do a little bit of research and find different hacks. For example, this top result here, new quiz sheet script not patched 2022 easy, has 183,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. And so what I did is I just typed in hacks 4, and then you can go through each letter of the alphabet. So you can type in Q like that, and then you can see there are different hacks. Hacks for quitting smoking. This is probably going to be really competitive, but you could start a hacks type YouTube channel and just provide different tips, tricks, and tactics. So look at this one. This one only has 21,000 subscribers. Look at the one below it, 1,000 subscribers, 326 views. Pretty good for what I would consider to be a competitive keyword, but you can see that there is opportunity here as well. You could just go through each letter of the alphabet. Hacks for girls like this. Click on that, and you're going to see that there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to be had in this niche. Now, this niche, this keyword here is a little bit more competitive, but you can see there are tons of views to be had as well. So we could once again go through each letter of the alphabet, hacks for weight loss, we'll say, and simply just create this content. You could create a hacks type YouTube channel. And again, you could monetize it with affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorship, the YouTube partner program, all sorts of stuff out there. You could even create your own course. If maybe you had a hacks for weight loss, create your own course. We could do hacks for woodworking, I saw on there. And then you could promote something like Ted's Woodworking. If you are into affiliate marketing, you can see there are all sorts of views, 3.5 million views. There are lots of views, lots of subscribers to be had in this niche. And it looks like all of these are fairly older videos. So you go out and create a newer video, and that could actually generate a lot of leads. So hacks 4 is another opportunity. After that, let's go to how to quit your job. A lot of people want to know how to quit their job. And so you can see there are all sorts of questions out there on how to quit your job. So if we come down here, how to quit your job without notice, you can show people how to quit their job. And you can actually spin this into different business opportunities, make money online, make money offline, things of that nature. But you can see here, lots of people want to know how to quit their job in different ways. It actually was kind of funny when I searched this. Look at this, 14,000 views, only 3,000 subscribers, 7,000 subscribers, 1.8 thousand views, 83,000 views, 2.27 thousand subscribers. People want to quit their job. They want other opportunities. They want other options. You could start an entire niche on how to quit your job. So once again, you're just going to come up here and go through each letter of the alphabet. How to quit your job gracefully. Let's take a look at that one. And you're going to see, once again, there are tons of views to be had, and you can offer them better opportunities. Only 15,000 subscribers, 159,000 views. And this is from 8 years ago. If we keep scrolling, you can see here, this is this person teaches how to make money online. So you could spin this into a make money online business opportunity. If you have a course that you want to sell, you could spin them into that. Look at this one, 80,000 views, only 565 subscribers. So this is yet another opportunity. If we keep scrolling, 427 views, 3,000 subscribers. Lots of opportunity in this niche. 929 subscribers, 23,000 views, teaching people how to quit their job. Really simple, really easy. After how to quit your job, you're going to laugh again. We're back to food. We are looking at how to eat. Now look at this here. 5,000 subscribers, 4.4 million views. How to eat crawfish. Now, I've never eaten crawfish, so I might actually watch one of these videos before diving in. When we take a look, 59,000 views, 920 subscribers on simply teaching people how to eat crawfish. Now, the cool thing with this is that you could make money at the YouTube partner program. You could partner with different recipes or cooking channels. You could actually promote some stuff over on Amazon as well. If there are special utensils you need to eat crawfish or lobster, whatever it is, you can promote those, put those in the links of the description, and potentially make money. But you can see here, there are tons of people making basically the same video or similar content, smaller channels, getting tons of views. And so what I did is I just deleted that, and we go how to eat, hit the space bar, and go through each letter of the alphabet. How to eat quinoa. Let's click on that one. And once again, you're going to see there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to be had on all sorts of content. Now, the cool thing is you get to eat while potentially making money. So if we hit the space bar, how to eat with chopsticks, how to eat bran, how to eat with braces, how to eat watermelon, how to eat walnuts. Let's take a look at that one. And once again, people are all asking these pretty basic questions, and you can create content and get in front of them. So once again, really simple, really easy, and it's just how to eat. Hit the space bar. I saw crab here. Let's take a look at crab real quick. How to eat crab and crab legs. Easy for me to say, but 11,000 views, 821,000 views, 11,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 370,000 views. If you like crab, if you like crab legs, this is a great piece of content for you to make. A few different ways to make money. After how to eat, the final one that we have today is actually with soap carving. Now the top ones here are the ASMR variety. What we want to do is we want to soap carve different animals. Look at this one, 304 views, only 304,000 views, only 1,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 27,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. There's lots of opportunity to be had. Soap carving, and we're going to click the space bar here, and we could do like turtle. As you can see, we could do fish. We could do flour. Let's do fish and take a look. And we could potentially create this type of content and get lots of views. Look at this. Look at this first result here. 230 subscribers, 34,000 views. This one right here, 25,000 views, 1.96 thousand subscribers. So these are teeny tiny micro channels. And what you could do is, if you don't have any experience in carving soap, you could use it as, hey, I'm learning this as I go type of channel, and you could make money. The other cool thing is this could be potentially a faceless YouTube channel. Heck, you could even hire someone over on onlinejobs.ph to carve different soaps for you and have them record it. And then you just talk over it, do a little bit of voiceover, and you can make money. So let's recap real quick. We have jump roping channels. We have hacks, tips, and tricks. Let's go here, hacks like that. After that, we have how to make X without Y. After that, we have how to quit your job, how to eat crab or how to eat _, and we have soap carving. Now that you know 7 weird or off the beaten path YouTube channels, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.